how are you? I hope you are fine. Today we will start lesson 5 in theme 3 chapter 1 titled Acacia Tree and Water Lily. There are different types of plants grow in every habitat around the world. They can't move from one place to another. They can travel when it's cold to somewhere warm to live. They have traits that help it survive and adapt its habitat. Again, plants have traits that help it survive and be able to live in its habitat. For example, we have in number 1, acacia tree. We can see it in this picture. They live in the desert where it's dry and hot. The main problem is the storage of water. Acacia tree has an important trait that helps it survive in the desert. It has very long roots that helps it reach deep underground water. The branches have long thorns to stop animals from eating the leaves. So, acacia tree have very long roots that helps it reach deep underground water and thorns to stop animals from eating the leaves. In number 2, we have water lily, or we can say lotus. Lotus. It adapts to living in freshwater habitat. We can see it in this picture. The stems of water lily are long and flexible to fix the plants in the mud at the bottom of the water. As we see in this picture, the stems of water lily are long and flexible. It has big round leaves that float on the water to absorb the sunlight. The top of the leaf is waxy to keep water out, and the underside of the leaf has thorns to protect it from fish that want to eat it. The top of the leaf is waxy to keep water out, and the underside of the leaf has thorns to protect it from fish that want to eat it. Now, let's answer this question together. Choose. In number 1, acacia tree has very long roots to, yes, reach water. Okay. Number 2, water lily or lotus plant lives in, very good, fresh water. Okay. In number 3, the underside of the leaf of the lotus have thorns too. Of course, protect it from fish. Okay. Number 4, the stems of water lily plants are, yes, long and flexible. Okay. Number 5, water lily has leaves which are, excellent, all the previous answer. It means that we choose big and round, waxy and thorny. There are many sources of information such as textbooks, photograph, artifacts. And now let's answer this question together to know the job for each one. Match each source of information about water lily to its function. In number 1, we use this source to know how important water lily was to the ancient Egyptians. Yes, that's right, artifacts. Okay. Number 2, we use this source to know information about water lily. Yes, of course, textbooks. Okay, in number 3, we use this source to know what a water lily looks like. Excellent. Photograph. That's all for this session. See you next time, inshallah. Goodbye.